Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to turn on screen recording on your iPhone. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, as you can see, we have only the easiest way to turn on the screen recording. It's all about just go over here on a notification or control center. You have to do like this. You can turn on from here. For me, in my case, I don't have it, so I have to add it. So if you don't know how to add it, you can also watch this step. So what it's all about, you just need to go over here, press and hold over here like this. So you can see we get this particular option. All these kind of things are jiggled up. Now we need to tap on add a control here, just tap on it. And right now from here, if you scroll down here a little bit over here, or you can just go over here at the top, search here for screen recorder. You can just search here for screen recording and you have to tap on it. So right now I added the screen recording here. Now once you add it, you just need to tap over here like this. So it is done. Now what you need to do is, in order to do a screen recording, you have to tap on this particular one over here. Right now, as you can see, 3, 2, 1, it starts recording. And you can do whatever you wanted, you can do anything that you wanted. And if you wanted to turn it off, you can just go over here, tap over here at the top. And right now you need to tap on this one, so the screen recording is done. And if you open it from here, you can see this is what I have screen recorded right now. Right, as you can see, this is what I did. And you can do like this. Now there is one more thing that I would like to add. If you just go over here like this, when you press and hold on the screen recording icon, we have these options like photos, ChatGPT, etc. And if you wanted to turn on the microphone, you can turn on it like this. So anything that you record along with the screen recording, you get the audio along with it. If not, if you want to turn off the microphone, you can do it. You can just turn it off so the microphone is off. Right, so this is how also you can do it, and that's what it is. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Bye.